Thanks for stopping by today. A few months ago, we had a series of large motors to recover the copper from. In the end of the video, I revealed the amount of copper and the value. All the full-length videos are available to watch on the channel. We compile all the videos into a shorter version. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Don't forget to click the bell so you get notifications for upcoming videos. Well, that ain't gonna work. There we go. Bucket's about 2.5 pounds. Subtracting the bucket, there's 20 pounds of copper. Now here's everything we recovered from the motor. Quite a pile already. Decided to burn it off. That'll make it a little easier getting the copper out of there. Here's a massive pile of copper we recovered from that motor. I'm gonna weigh both of the buckets and just subtract 5 pounds. That shows real close to 30 pounds. This one's about 25 or 26 pounds, so it'll be a total of 51 pounds. Here's everything that we recovered from the motor. I didn't have the armature part or the ends to this motor, and the steel is about 250 pounds right there. $10 pounds with the bucket, so that's 8 pounds of copper, 9 pounds of aluminum, close to 80 pounds of steel. We have 4 half-inch bolts to remove. Let's try to get it on the scale. 13 pounds of aluminum, about 25 pounds of steel, 5 pounds of copper. Today's scrap project, we got a 2 horsepower electric motor we're going to tear apart for scrap. Got one here too. The threads are messed up on this end here. And I'll go get that sawzall. Let me get these up. All right. Okay, here's everything we recovered from the electric motor. Let's get it on a scale and get a value. We got 15 pounds of steel. It only goes up to 25 pounds, so I got to put this other piece on there. 12.5 pounds on that, so that's 27.5 pounds of steel. 13 pounds of aluminum. Got a little bit over 4 pounds of copper. I would say probably about 500 or 600 pounds, maybe more. This is the largest motor that we have out of the collection of motors here. think it's about 15-gallon bucket. Not the biggest one, but it's still pretty good size. It's got 4 half-inch bolts holding the main assembly together. Let's get it on a scale and see what the weight is. 15.5 pounds of aluminum. A little bit over 8 pounds of copper. I don't have a large scale for the steel, but I know it's over 100 pounds. This motor is 20 horsepower. Here's everything we recovered from the motor. Scale shows a little bit over 17, so that's about 15 pounds of copper. We got a 5 horsepower electric motor we're going to tear apart for scrap. Let's take a look at it. All right, here's what we're working with. Let's get the copper on the scale and see what it weighs. Looks like a little bit over 9 pounds of copper.
Never.
Got 5 gallon buckets full of wire. You can see what the junkyard gives them. Probably 25 to 35 pounds in each bucket. Here's today's ticket on the copper. 116 pounds, $464.